If you've recently gone through security checks on eBay and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to regain your access smoothly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Log into your eBay account and follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional information to confirm that you are the account owner. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from eBay regarding your account status. They may have sent instructions or links to help you complete the security checks. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Update your security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings and update your security settings. This includes changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Step 4. Contact eBay customer support. If you're still having trouble accessing your account, reach out to eBay customer support. Provide them with any requested information and explain your situation clearly to expedite the process. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, keep an eye on your account for any unusual activity. Regularly update your password and review your security settings to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your eBay account after completing the necessary security checks. Always stay vigilant about your account security to avoid similar situations in the future.